Hey everyone, welcome back to Polished Perfections. Today, we're delving deep into a topic that impacts every aspect of our lives: credit. You know, that elusive number that holds immense power over our financial futures, yet many of us were left scratching our heads about it because it wasn't taught in school. Ever wondered why? Stick around as we unravel the untold story behind why credit education was neglected in schools until now. To understand why credit education wasn't prioritized in the past, let's take a journey back in time. Back in the day, the primary goal of education was to equip students with fundamental skills like reading, writing, and arithmetic. Financial literacy, including topics such as credit management, simply wasn't on the radar. Schools focused on academic subjects perceived as essential for success in the workforce, relegating personal finance to the sidelines. Moreover, societal norms played a significant role in perpetuating the lack of credit education in schools. Historically, personal finance was considered a private matter, meant to be imparted within the confines of the family unit. Parents were expected to educate their children about money management, including navigating the complexities of credit. Unfortunately, many parents entered adulthood without a strong financial foundation themselves. With limited access to education and resources, especially among marginalized communities, hindered financial literacy. Poverty, lack of access to formal financial institutions, and limited opportunities for advancement contributed to this disparity. Cultural taboos around discussing finances further exacerbated the issue. In some cultures, money matters were considered private, leading to a lack of open dialogue about money management and credit within families. Consequently, there was minimal pressure on educational institutions to integrate financial literacy into their curricula. This has led to generations of families continuing to make the same financial mistakes. Furthermore, schools often grappled with limited resources and expertise to effectively teach about credit. Unlike subjects such as mathematics or science, which had well-established curricula and textbooks, financial education was largely uncharted territory. Many educators lacked the confidence and training to tackle such a multifaceted and nuanced topic, leading to its neglect in classrooms. However, as society progressed and technological advancements reshaped the financial landscape, the importance of financial literacy became increasingly apparent. The proliferation of credit cards, loans, and other forms of consumer credit underscored the necessity for young adults to possess the knowledge and skills to make informed financial decisions. Consequently, there has been a gradual shift in recent years towards recognizing the significance of financial education and integrating it into school curricula. In recent times, various initiatives have emerged to bridge the gap in financial education. Governments, nonprofits, and educational institutions are collaborating to develop comprehensive financial literacy programs tailored to students of all ages. These programs aim to empower individuals with the knowledge and skills necessary to navigate the complexities of credit responsibly, ensuring their financial well-being in the long run. In conclusion, the neglect of credit education in schools in the past can be attributed to a combination of historical priorities, societal norms, resource constraints, and the evolving financial landscape. However, as we march forward into the future, it's imperative that we acknowledge the importance of financial literacy and commit to equipping students with the tools they need to thrive in an increasingly complex world. For parents and future parents, please check out the videos linked for education on credit and finance. If you found this information enlightening, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth content on personal finance and beyond. As always, thank you for tuning in, and we'll catch you in the next one.